Step number 2, find the volume of this metal. And then step number 3, equate this volume to this volume, right? These are the 3 steps. We'll go step by step. Step number 1, volume of the rectangular block 4.4 meters by 2.6 meters by 1 meter. So 11.44 cubic meters. Now what we want is, this is in centimeters, so we'll have to convert either this into meters or this into centimeters. So it's easy to convert meter into centimeters because zeros are added. So 11.44 meter cube. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore 1 meter square, sorry, 1 meter, no, I think it's easier to convert centimeter to meter. That becomes easier to solve. Okay, so we'll keep it as it is. Volume of the rectangular block 11.44 cubic meter. We'll find the volume of this and then convert it to meter cube. Now volume of the metal. So first find the outer diameter, diameter or outer volume basically, and then inner volume, and then subtract. This is a bigger step. So outer volume equals to pi r square h, right? So pi r square h means what? What is our outer edge? Outer r, 30 plus 5, 35. But that is in centimeters. We have to convert this to meters. So 22 by 7 into 0.35 the whole square into h. H we don't know. We have to find out. Okay. So 22 by 7 into 0.35 into 0.35 into h. Right? That much. Okay. Inner volume. Inner volume again pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into 0.3 into 0.3 into h. Right? So that is the inner volume. Now metal. What will be the metal? Outer volume minus inner volume. So 22 by 7 into h. That is common for both. Okay. So 22 by 7 into h common. So 0.35 square minus 0.3 square. Right. So what it is? 0.35 square is 1225. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.